Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been MIA for quite some time, but I'm back at again. And today's video I'll be doing this look that I came up with, and if you guys are interested to watch and learn, please keep on playing the video. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. So in today's video, I'm planning on using this brand called Mehron. I have a few of them here with me. They're looking quite busted because I've had them for like what, 3-4 years already. So yeah, and we're gonna use their face palette, which is water activated. So yeah, sorry, my bad. This is actually their face paint palette, and it is water activated, of course, and I've had a lot of fun using it for years already. Look how, like, wow, it's totally, wow, it still does the job for me. I remember how much I love using this face paint palette back in those days. So yeah, I can't wait to jump right into it again. Now, looking at this palette, I think I kind of have an idea of what I want to do for today's look. So yeah, let's just jump right into it and play with colors. Now, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but I just want to share with you guys because I know most of y'all have never heard of this brand before. So here's a little backstory. So Mehron is proudly made in the USA with the highest quality ingredients. Represents an artisanal approach to creating high impact, highly pigmented cosmetics, and they are famous across the globe for their exceptional products for their theatrical, runway performance, and for their everyday use. So yeah, so that's a little bit of information 101 for you guys today. Okay, so to start off today's look, we'll be doing our eyes first, just one side as usual. And I've primed my eyes already beforehand. And for our eyes, we'll be using this eye powder palette, and this is the code. And this is how it looks like inside. So now guys, forgive me, this palette has been with me for like, yes, like I said, 3-4 years, and it has seen better days. So yeah, now this shade right here, it is called Fawn. Trust me, I myself, I don't know what happened to it. All I know is that it broke, and then it shattered, and it had to be thrown away. So okay, so first things first, we're going to be using this shade right here. I think it's called Cinnamon. Yeah, it's called Cinnamon, and it's going to be our transition color. And of course, you can flare it out, and it should look something like this. Next, we'll be taking this shade right here called Cocoa, and we're just going to just slightly deepen your transition shade. Just ever so slightly, nothing crazy. And it should look something like this. So next, we're going to jump to the fun part, and no, it's not the face paint yet, but we're going to play with colors. So okay, before that, this is called the Intense Pressed Powder Pigments. So here are the shade names right here, and yes, I would say they are really pigmented as far as I can remember. So I think today I'm going to be using this shade right here. It matches the color of my dress, and yeah, so let me just swatch some for you guys to see how crazily pigmented they are. Look, this is their yellow, and yeah, we're definitely gonna use this one today. And let's see, a pink, my favorite color. Okay, and let me just swatch the purple one for you guys. And wow, and usually guys, with purples it's really hard to make, and how I know this is because I watch a lot of YouTubers who make their own brands. They have their own palettes, and they usually say, oh, purples are this and that, and I personally feel like, yeah, it's true, because I've swatched many other palettes, especially when I go to Sephora, where else. Yeah, so for basically purples in them, I usually, you know, that's the first color that I want to swatch and, you know, get a feel of it and to see. Yeah, most of them are chunky, most of them are drying, most of them are not pigmented, but this one I have to say it's a-okay. So we're going to be taking a packing brush and we're going to dive in this yellow shade called Yellow Spark, and we're just going to get it as so. Now I have to say that there are some fallouts down here, as you can see, but look at how vibrant the yellow is, guys. Okay, so once you have the Yellow Spark shade on, we're going to go back to the same cinnamon shade that we used earlier as our transition shade. We're just going to just go over it, just ever so slightly. And a little bit of cocoa again, just a tiny bit. So you should have something like this. Next, we're going to take the cinnamon shade once again as our, you know, bottom shade. And I'm just going to bring it down slightly lower than what I usually do. And a little bit of cocoa again, just at the outer corner. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to take the Yellow Spark shade once again and put in the inner corner. Wow. Okay, so I'm actually liking how this look is turning out so far, and thank God. So yeah, let's jump right to the next step. Okay, so now is the fun part, and we're going to use this Paradise face paint palette, and I'm going to be doing my liner using the black one. Okay, now guys, of course this is not waterproof, because, you know, once it hits water it will melt. So as you can see, I've already dipped into water, and look, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, look. And guys, please do not mistaken this face paint as something that is long wearing. No, it's not. It's not long wearing at all, but you know, it's face paint. It's in the name itself. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this black paint and we're going to be doing my eyeliner. And before that, make sure you use the teeny tiniest brush you could find. This is my second teeny tiniest brush because I have no idea where my first teeny tiniest brush went missing, so this will do. Okay, so far so good. Take time, guys. Take your time. Do not rush when you're doing your eyeliner. So you should have something like this. See, I don't know if this is going to turn out okay because I just don't know where all my paintbrushes went. So I'm just gonna make do with whatever I have and just hope and pray that everything will turn out fine at least. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm going to improvise the look quite a bit. So instead of jumping straight into that white paint, sometimes I think I can go yellow, but I just can't. Okay, so the idea is that I'm going for this floral fantasy kind of look. So I'm drawing out petals first, outlining the petals using an ink eyeliner, and then we will fill the white paint in. So this is the outline of the flower petals. So now we're going to fill them in. Now usually I don't really have to like outline anything and go straight into the paint itself, but today is just one of those days where my hands and fingers decide to like go against me. So So just fill them in and make sure to not blink because it is not dried yet. Whew. So next we're going to take this yellow paint and we're just going to just watch, guys. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but really pretty. It's okay. So this is the result. I had to skip the video, fast forward it, because I literally forgotten how long it'll take to use paintbrushes, to use paints, face paints, to draw flowers on yourself. So this is the final result. It's a sunflower, guys. I hope it looks like a sunflower because trust me, doing face paint, like it looks easy, from I mean, if I'm in your place, it looks like, oh, that's nothing difficult, drawing a flower on your eyelid. But trust me, try using face paint, teeny tiny brushes, and doing it on yourself, looking at a mirror and doing it on yourself. It's been a while since the last time I actually play with face paints, so I hope it's not looking too shabby. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my look, as in the eyes, and I'll be right back. And that's both eye look done. What do you think? I feel like, no, you know what, here's the funny thing. I thought of doing both eyes, but like I figured like just one side with a flower, it kind of looks cute. So, and I'm still figuring out whether this is a sunflower or daisies, I don't know. But I'm happy with how it turns out. So we're going to move on with highlighter and lips, and we are done. As for my cheekbone highlights, I'll be using one of my favorite highlighters from Becca called Champagne Pop, and as usual, using my fingers. And for my inner corner highlight, I'll be using the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Solstice. And we're going to take this shade right here called Sub Solar. We're just going to use our finger again and put it in our inner corner. And last but not least, I'll be using this Callus Paris Brilliant Stars Lip Gloss. Well, that's a mouthful. In the shade called Rich Autumn. So you can't see. And that, guys, concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I do making it for you guys. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded my last video, but I'm back for good. So yeah, I'm really sorry that I have not been that active uploading because so many things has happened in my life. Good things, not so good things, but all in all, I'm so grateful to be where I'm at today. And yeah, so this is a fun look. I would say this is a cute, fun look. I did not plan this look at all. I basically wanted to, dive into my old makeup palettes and like give it a go again because hey, they're still good. I honestly love how this look turns out. There are a lot of hiccups along the way, but we managed to pull through. And yeah, try this at home, guys, and I would like to see you guys doing your own creative take of this look. And I can't wait to film more tutorials for you guys because to me makeup is very therapeutic. It's just something that I enjoy doing during my free time. So have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for watching and for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.